How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can turn on or off the HDR on your MSI monitor. So the easiest way to do this is to simply search for the HDR setting on your Windows. Click settings right here and just make sure that you select the right monitor. So in my case, it's going to be this display one since I'm using two monitors right here. And then we have the display capabilities. If your monitor supports the HDR, it will then show up right here. And if there's a off button, you could just click on this specific setting. Now, if it's not showing up, what you want to do is to head over to the on-screen display for your monitor, which is going to be this one. This is the main settings for the monitor itself. Now, this is only an example. You want to click on the OSD control joystick or buttons beside or below your monitor. And once again, this will show up, on which you can just head over to setting, look for HDR, and simply from there, you are good to go. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.